Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see product of a fraction and a whole number under chapter fraction. Product of a fraction and a whole number is your topic. We have to understand fraction of a group first. Totally, how many toys are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 toys are there. From all the 5 toys, how many car toys are there? 2 car toys are there out of 5 toys. Okay, so we have to write it as 2 by 5 for toy cars. From out of 5 toys, how many aeroplane toys are there? There are 3 aeroplane toys from 5 toys. So we can write it as 3 by 5, which means 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 aeroplane toys are there. In this way, we have to find fraction of a group. You have to understand first. In second question, there are 5 equal groups of toys, which means in each group 3 toys are there. Now consider the group. How many groups are there? 5 groups are there. From 5 groups, how many groups have car toys? 2 groups have car toys out of 5 groups. Am I clear? There are 5 groups. From 5 groups, 2 groups have car toys. So we can write it in fraction as 2 by 5. Okay. From 5 groups, how many groups have aeroplane toys? Yes, 3 groups have aeroplane toys. So we can write it in fraction as 3 by 5. 3 out of 5. Just watch, let's do part. What fraction of each group is shaded? First, let me know how many groups of stars are there. 2 groups of stars are there. Totally how many groups? 2 groups. From 2 groups, how many groups are shaded? Only one group is shaded. So we can write it as 1 by 2, which means from 2 groups, only one group is shaded. So we can write it as 1 by 2, 1 out of 2. B question, you have to do it. Next, finding a fractional part of a quantity. You have to understand the concept first, right? Find the value of 1 by 3 of 12. Totally, how many circles are there? There are 12 circles present. 12 circles are divided into how many groups? 3 groups. 3 equal groups. Which means in each group, how many circles are there? Out of 12, each group consists of 4. How many groups are there? 3 groups. In each group, 4 circles are there. If you add all the 3 groups with 4 circles, then we get 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So, 1 by 3 of 12 is 4. Answer is 4, which means if you divide 12 into 3 groups, in each group we get the answer as 4 circles. Next question, find the value of 3 by 4 of 20. How many circles are there? 20 circles. 20 circles are divided into 4 equal groups. From 3 by 4, the denominator value 4 is considered as group and the numerator value is considered as number of shaded group. Here, how many shaded groups are there? 3 groups. 3 is a numerator. Totally how many groups are there? Totally 4 groups are there, which means denominator is considered as total number of groups. Now we have to find the value of 3 by 4 of 20. We have to find one by one, step by step. First, we have to find the numerator value 1 by 4 of 20. 1 by 4 of 20 means in each group how many circles are there, which means Out of 20, how many circles are there in each group? 5 circles are there in each group. That means 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 fours are 20. 1 by 4 of 20 is equal to 5, which means in each group we have 5 circles. Therefore, totally 4 groups. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Next, 3 by 4 of 20. Already we got the answer for 1 by 4 of 20. 1 by 4 of 20 is 5. 3 by 4 of 20 is what? 3 into 1 by 4 of 20. 1 by 4 of 20 is 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, 15 circles are shaded. Next, let's do problems. First problem, what is the value of 4 by 5 of 15? How many circles are there totally? There are 15 circles present totally. How many groups are there for 15 circles? 15 circles are divided into 5 groups. How can you say it as 5 groups? Denominator value is 5. So we have to consider the denominator as groups. Totally 5 groups. You have to find the answer for denominator first. 1 by 5 of 15. 15 circles are divided into 5 groups. In each group, how many circles are there? 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. We have to divide 15 into equal number of groups. Now we have to find how many groups are shaded. Numerator value is considered as shaded groups. Here numerator value is 4. So 4 groups are shaded out of 5 groups. Already we know that 1 by 5 of 15 is 3. So we have to multiply 3 with 4. 4 3s are 12. In 4 groups, 12 circles are shaded. Next topic is multiplying a fraction and a whole number. Look at the question. Find the value of 1 by 5 of 15. 1 by 5 of 15 can be written as 1 by 5 into 15. Of means into. 1 by 5 into 15 can be written as 1 into 15 by 5. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. So we can write it as 15 by 5. 15 by 5 means 15 divided by 5. How many times we will get 15 from 5 table? 5 3s are 15. Therefore, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Next problem, find the value of 3 by 4 into 9. Numerator value 3 is multiplied with 9. 3 into 9 by 4. 9 3s are or 3 9s are 27. So 27 divided by 4. How many times we will get 27 from 4 table? If you divide 27 by 4, we will get the quotient as 6 and the remainder as 3. Therefore, quotient 6 is the whole number and 3 is the remainder and 4 is the divisor. 3 and 4 can be written as 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4 is the right answer. Therefore, 27 divided by 4 is equal to 6 3 by 4. In Let's Do part, 3 problems are there. You have to do it by yourself. In practice 5, 1 and 2 question, you have to do it by yourself in book itself. Hope you all understood the concept. Before doing your homework problems, watch the video completely, then do it. Thank you, my dear kids.